So guys, I just finished blending some sea moss straight from the Caribbean, guys. This is what it looks like. Look how thick this is. Just finished blending this. Raw. I did not boil it. This is raw, guys. Straight, natural, raw, no heat. So now I'm gonna make a nice little drink with 2 ingredients, and these are 2 powerhouse ingredients, the okra and the sea moss. So now I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of my sea moss here, just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my okra in my mixture. So that's the okra, guys. So this okra, I bought it in the health food store. It was already frozen, and just like this. So my okra is in. So that's about like 3 tablespoons of okra. Now I'm going to add some water to start the blending process. So I have my Poland spring water here. And I'm going to just put like half of it in my mixture. I'm also going to put a tablespoon of my flaxseed. So now I'm going to start blending these mixtures together. So I place my lid on, and now I'm blending. So guys, take a look. Look how beautiful that is. The okra just set it off. So I'm just shaking it, guys. So now I'm making 2 batches. So this is my first batch. So I'm just gonna pour this in this dish here. Look how creamy and nice this is looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend my other batch. So I'm gonna put just a tablespoon and a half this time in this batch. So while putting in my okra, let's talk a little bit about okra. So okra, guys, is very good to prevent anemia. It helps to reduce blood sugar, reduce cholesterol, good for digestion, improve immune system, good for the skin, support bones, and it's also a natural laxative, guys. The sky is the limit with this. All right, the benefit is so much. So now that my okra is in, guys, let's put some more water. And now I'm gonna shake it up a little to get the sea moss to mingle with the okra. Speaking of sea moss, guys, the benefit is endless. Sea moss promotes digestion, pull out toxin out the body, promote weight loss, rich in fiber, good for heartburn, anxiety, replace collagens, and guys, it is a natural painkiller and it's good for diabetes. The sky is the limit with these two ingredients, guys. And that's it for blending. So this is it, guys. So now I'm getting ready to enhance my drink with my spices and all those good stuff. All right, guys. So I have this big jug over here and I'm just gonna transfer my blended sea moss and okra in it. This is too good to waste, guys. Drink this every morning, every day, and I guarantee you the goodness. And do your research, guys. Do your research. This is very good for you. The okra is good. The sea moss is good. It's endless. The benefit is endless. So now I'm gonna add some more water to this blender cup, because like I said, I do not want to waste not a bit of this sea moss and okra mixture. So I'm gonna just put the lid and shake it around so I can get everything out of me. Yeah. I'm gonna just pour it over here in that jug. So guys, you do the maths. 2 powerful ingredients with so many health benefits. What do you think gonna happen to your body if you drink this every day? I'll let you do the maths. Think about it, guys. And if you don't believe me, you go ahead and do your research. Research has shown that the benefit is endless. So it's a little thick, guys. Look at it. It's still on the thick side. So I need to thin it out some more. And I simply just gonna use drinking water. That's it. So I'm gonna put some aside to drink just like that. Naturally, no enhancement. And the rest of it I'm gonna flavor. So this one I'm gonna put in my refrigerator and I'm gonna drink it just as is. Now let's go ahead and enhance the rest of the mixture. So teaspoon of grated, so teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. About half a teaspoon of mixed spice. A little cinnamon, not too much. Mix. And now I'm going to sweeten with my condensed milk. My sweet condensed milk. So this is looking so creamy and nice, guys. Take a look at it. Take a look at it, guys. We're gonna continue stirring, and I'm gonna give it a taste to see how it is. Need more milk, condensed milk. So this is like half a can of condensed milk. So guys, flavor to your taste, sweeten to your taste. So we are pretty much just enhancing. You can drink it as is, or you can go ahead and put whatever you want in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little more of my flaxseed in it, just like that. So let's give it another taste. Wow, this is tasting real good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little pinch of salt to balance out the taste. Just a little tip. Sometimes it just seems as if you need more sugar or, you know, sweetener, but turns out it's just a little salt needed to balance it. So that's the whole reason why I tip that salt, guys. And this is tasting so good. Very good. Look at this. Look at this consistency. See that, guys? It's just right. The texture is just right, not too runny and not too thick. This is the way I like. So we are pretty much done, guys. Getting ready for to serve. And now I'm gonna pour this in my nice glass pitcher. So here we go, guys. Just take a look. So this is your sea moss okra drink, made with love from my kitchen. If you are new here and you learned something today, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share it, comment, like. And if you are new here, my name is Son. Thanks for coming. Also, turn on your notification, guys, to know when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and I see you in my next one. Bye-bye.